Hello viewers and welcome to our video about the most insane camping tents you have ever seen. If you love the great outdoors and want to make your camping experience unforgettable, you're in the right place. We have scoured the internet and camping stores to find the most innovative and unique camping tents on the market today. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Number 1. Bubble Tree Tent. As the popularity of camping and outdoor activities continues to grow, so does the demand for comfortable and unique accommodations. That's where the Bubble Tree Tent comes in, a one-of-a-kind outdoor experience that combines the best of camping and glamping. At first glance, the Bubble Tree Tent may look like a giant balloon, but it's actually a sturdy and well-designed shelter that can withstand the elements. Made from high-quality materials, the Bubble Tree Tent is both waterproof and UV resistant, ensuring that you stay dry and comfortable no matter what the weather brings. One of the most unique features of the Bubble Tree Tent is its transparent design. Imagine falling asleep under a blanket of stars, with the sounds of nature all around you. That's the experience that the Bubble Tree Tent provides, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your surroundings. But don't let the transparent walls fool you. The Bubble Tree Tent is also incredibly private. With a spacious interior and a lockable entrance, you'll have all the space and security you need to relax and unwind. Number 2. Orange Solar Tent Concept. This innovative tent is designed to make your camping experience more comfortable and eco-friendly. It comes equipped with advanced solar technology that allows you to generate electricity and power your devices without the need for a traditional power source. This makes it the perfect solution for camping in remote locations or areas where access to electricity is limited. The Orange Solar Tent concept is also incredibly durable and easy to set up. It features a sturdy frame and high-quality materials that can withstand even the harshest weather conditions. And with its intuitive design, you can set up the tent in just a few minutes, giving you more time to relax and enjoy the great outdoors. Number 3. Lotus Bell Tents. Lotus Bell tents are some of the most insane camping tents that you will ever see. These tents are designed by a company called Lotus, and they are definitely something that you will want to check out. These tents are made from a special fabric material, and they are really unique in terms of design. One of the biggest benefits of using a Lotus Bell tent is that it is really easy to set up. All you have to do is pull out the poles and then spread the tent out. Once it is spread out, simply attach the tent panels to the poles, and then you are ready to go. Another great feature of these tents is that they can be used in a variety of different environments. Whether you are camping in the wilderness or at a festival, these tents can handle everything that you might encounter. Number 4. Easy UP Camping Cube. The Easy UP Camping Cube is an innovative and easy-to-use accessory that transforms your Easy UP shelter into a comfortable outdoor living space. With its durable construction and spacious interior, the Camping Cube is the perfect solution for campers and outdoor enthusiasts who want a hassle-free way to enjoy the great outdoors. One of the standout features of the Easy UP Camping Cube is its easy setup. Designed to be used with Easy UP shelters, the Camping Cube attaches to the shelter's frame with ease, without the need for any additional tools. Once attached, the Camping Cube can be easily set up and taken down in just minutes, making it the perfect solution for camping trips, tailgates, and outdoor events. Once set up, the Easy UP Camping Cube provides a spacious living area that's perfect for relaxing, sleeping, or entertaining. With 6.4 feet of headroom and a 10x 10 floor space, the Camping Cube offers plenty of room to move around, stretch out, and enjoy the great outdoors. The Cube also features large windows and doors, providing plenty of natural light and ventilation. Number 5. Flying Tent. If you're in the market for a campsite that offers something a little out of the ordinary, you need to check out flying tents. These tents can be set up in minutes and are designed to be carried by air, allowing for quick and easy setup anywhere. Here are 5 insane flying tent options that you should see. The koala bag flying tent. This tent is designed to look like a koala bear and is made from waterproof and breathable materials. It has a roomy interior and comes with a built-in fan, shelter door, and mosquito netting. This tent is capable of spanning up to 12 feet wide and 10 feet long, making it perfect for group camping or outdoor events. It has an airflow design that ensures good ventilation, as well as space inside for up to 6 people. Number 6. Cocoon Tree. Cocoon Tree is not your typical accommodation experience. It is an eco-friendly and sustainable lodging solution that offers a one-of-a-kind experience. The concept of Cocoon Tree tents originated from a French designer, Bernie Dupeyrat, who wanted to create a luxurious yet comfortable way to experience nature. These tents are suspended between trees and offer a unique way of experiencing the outdoors. They are built with sustainable materials such as bamboo, and the design is created to blend into the natural environment. Cocoon Tree tents come in different shapes and sizes, but they all offer the same level of comfort and luxury. Staying in a Cocoon Tree tent is a great way to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse yourself in nature. You can wake up to the sound of birds chirping, breathe in fresh air, and enjoy stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Cocoon Tree tents are equipped with all the necessary amenities, such as comfortable beds, a private bathroom, and even air conditioning. Number 7. Tencel Tree Tents. If you're looking for an insane camping tent that you should see, then check out the Tencel Tree Tent. This tent is made from a single tree trunk that has been cut into sections and stretched over a frame. The result is a tent that can accommodate up to 8 people and features an incredible design that allows it to be stood up on its own. If you're interested in purchasing one of these tents, be sure to contact the company before making your purchase, as they only produce a limited number each year. Number 8. Pod Tents. These tents are unique in that they are designed as a pod system, where each individual tent is attached to a central pole. This makes setup and take down a breeze, making them perfect for campers who want to maximize their space. Additionally, the pods can be stacked on top of each other for even more storage space, making them the perfect option for backpackers who need plenty of room to store their gear. If you're looking for an insane camping tent that will really let you take your camping to the next level, then you need to check out the pod tents from Big Agnes. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.